Namaste everyone, welcome to Amma Good Kitchen. In today's video, Amma is making soya bean flour Kashar, which Amma also calls Nepali Ladoo. Traditionally, this sweet treat is made using corn, but like a lot of Amma's recipes, she has modified it and added a special Amma Good touch. For this recipe, you will need 200 grams of soya flour, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, some cashew nuts, raisins and melon seeds, Jaggery or sugar as per your preference, some honey, again as per your preference, and milk. Also, I forgot to take a clip, but we also need 3 tablespoons of ghee. You will need to add the ghee at the very beginning in a preheated pan. Once the ghee has melted, add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds and stir for a few minutes. Next, add 200 grams of soya flour and stir. Continue to stir the mixture for approximately 7 minutes. The flour will turn into a golden brown colour and it will release a smoky scent. This is when you know that it's done cooking. Then in a tray, pour the mixture. Next, add some cashew nuts, raisins and melon seeds. To add a bit of sweetness, add Jaggery or sugar, whatever your preference is, and add as much or as little as you prefer. Then add some honey. This will add to the sweetness, but more importantly, it will help the ingredients stick together. Then mix it all together. Throughout the mixing process, add a little bit of milk. This will add a bit of moisture and help the ingredients stick together as well. To make the Kashar, it's really simple. Grab some of the mixture and gently press and hold it in the palm of your hand. Repeat this process until you have formed a solid shape as demonstrated. Once complete, you should end up with a whole collection like this. Store it away in the freezer for a few hours to allow the mixture to set and then consume. Lastly, thank you for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed this simple and sweet recipe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye!